What's up guys, it's me G. So here is the Remax, yes you heard me right, the Remax RB-S10 Bluetooth headphone. Yeah, let me show you from the back. This costs you around 30 bucks from Amazon and other websites such as GearBest. So the real question is that how good it is. The first thing is that the packaging, the box is big. When the box is big, then it means that something is good inside, because big box costs money. Also, you can ask me any question, check out the links in the description box. Well, let me do the unboxing with my beautiful Switzerland Swiss knife. Okay, because my older Bluetooth headset I given to my wife, so now is the time to upgrade. Safety is number one priority. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. I'm literally very much excited, to be honest with you. Do we need to take out like this? I properly think so. Okay, yeah, we need to take out like this. Yeah, so this is it. I mean, it's look quite beautiful, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay, let me first take out the foam and let's see what inside. There is something. What? I couldn't believe it! I couldn't believe it! I got a pouch to store my headset. A beautiful leather pouch. Wow, I couldn't believe it! I couldn't believe it! I couldn't believe it! I mean, wow. I'm so excited. And I got a micro USB cable, okay? Micro USB cable. Personally, this is a beautiful cable I'm gonna keep for myself. And then I got this, okay? I mean, literally, wow. I mean, I'm so happy. I could not tell you how happy, my happiness. Put inside. Okay, just let me throw this one away. And now I'm gonna take out the headset. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let me put the box aside. Okay, and then here it is. Let me turn it on. Okay, it's turning on, it's turning on, it's turning on. It's just blinking. Let me take my Sony Xperia XA2. Come on. Okay, Bluetooth, 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 Bluetooth. Yeah, Bluetooth. I'm just making, yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. As you can see, it's taking some time. Okay, here we go. Available device. It's pairing, it's pairing, it's pairing. Okay, allow. It's really very easy. You just press and hold for like 1 or 2 seconds and you pair. One of the easiest way to pair, I mean. But I wanna talk about this, to be honest with you. I wanna talk about this. Nothing else, just this, to be honest with you. Yeah. So, yeah. I mean, the build quality seems quite amazing, to be honest with you. I really like the design. It's magnet, as you can see. I mean, you just can't go wrong with the magnet, isn't it? I mean, you can never go wrong with the design. It's magnet. Even you can take out this one if you don't like. Personally, I will take out this one. But at the end of the day, this is amazingly beautiful, I mean, design. So how you will store? I'm gonna demonstrate the audio test to you, but before that, I wanna store it. How we can store this one? Okay, I mean, I can store like this. Wow, this is something good, bro. This is good. This is next level. I'm happy. This made my day. Okay, yeah, not like this you store. Now jump to me and then let me tell you how good is the audio of it. So this is the Remax Bluetooth which I'm using. I mean, this look quite elegant, as you can see. I mean, it's very good, to be honest with you. For the money, the sound quality is very good. Yes, this is not like the Razer. This is not like Audio Technica level. This is not like, I mean, Sennheiser level. But the sound is good. For around 35 bucks, the sound is good. Can I recommend it? Definitely, yes, I can recommend it. Thumbs up. Check out the links in the description box below. What you are waiting for.